First of all, download Cisco WebEx. I have downloaded it and installed it. It is installing it. Now it is checking it whether it's safe or not. It's safe. Then I am going to open it. Here I have to accept the terms. I am accepting. Then press OK button. Here you will be asked to allow some activities like record audio and all these things. All these things will be done only when WebEx will be open. WebEx Meet will be open. I am going to allow it. And then I will not go to join or sign in. First I will go in sign up. Last one. It will ask one email ID. Now we will move to the email ID which we have provided. In email ID you will get a mail from Cisco WebEx. Just click there. Here your username is coming and your WebEx site is coming. Now you create password. To create password, use capital and small letter combinations and numerals. I am giving password. Now after giving the password, it is moving to this place, launch installed app. I am launching it. Open, allow. Now here again we have to give the email address which we have given. Now click on next. Here you will be given the option to select site. Click on that. Here again you have to give your password, mail password. Here we have to type the password which we have just created for Cisco WebEx app. I am going to type that password. After typing the password, click on next. Now here we will get the option to start meeting, and here two options are also there, one for audio and one for video. First we will start meeting. It is checking audio. If you will swipe, it will go to audio mode. We can also see the video. Then I have to give a start my video. It will start the video. If you want to stop it, you can stop it. Stop my video. If you want to only go through voice, you can go through voice only. If you want to stop that also, you can stop it. Then three dots are there. Go in three dots. Here you will get option like info. From info you can send the link on WhatsApp. After clicking on info, click on this share button. From share you will get WhatsApp option. Click on WhatsApp option. You can share it on WhatsApp. Okay. Share and on WhatsApp. Okay. Now come back. Here this is your video environment. Again press on this. It will open your video. If you want to start my video, click on that. If you don't, you can also stop it by clicking on the video stop. Okay. This is the way through which one can just start his meeting. Okay. Here how many persons have attended or is attending your meeting, are participants, that you can see. Okay. Here you can go for no one is attached here. If someone will be attached, we can just go for chat, private chats with them also. Okay. We can go for chat with everyone also. That is the option that you have to explore. Okay, in this option. Okay. Now here one more option is there, like lock room. Suppose you want that after 9 you have starting the class at 9 o'clock. You want to stop it after 9. You just click on that. Room will be locked. No one will be able to enter in the room. Okay. And one more thing is there, share content. Share content, you can share the contents from here. You can just get a whiteboard also. From that whiteboard, whatever you will write, it will be visible to students. Hello. Maths teacher can draw circle. This is radius. Okay. Now in this way they can use it. Okay, you erase it. You can just type the contents also. All these things will be visible to others also. Okay. These things you can explore. It will work. If you want to save it, you can save it also. If you not, you can go. You can also receive the annotation by someone else. But later on, you just explore it. Okay, I am coming back. Want to save the contents? No, I don't want to save. Similarly, go on these three dots. Here you can also go for polling by the candidates who are attending the meetings. You can go for chat with everyone, the message which you want to flash to everyone. Okay. Similarly, from there we can share the contents also, like share the photo, the previous photos we can share. Okay, we can share the content from Google Drive also. Means everything we can share from here. Okay. Here someone has shared the link. Okay, I am going to click on that link to open to join a meeting. Now here join via installed app option is coming. Click on that and then click on open. Allow. Here it is giving the option me to join. This was the request from the person who have sent to join meeting. I am clicking on join. This is my window. This one is my window. The name below me, and first one, someone other has hosted the meeting. I am joining it. Okay. Now we will go to schedule a meeting. Opens this Cisco web app. Here click on this plus button. Now here you give the name. Suppose I want to take class 9 maths. Password, this password you can change. I'm giving 1 2 3 4. Here if you want to add the invitees, you can add the invitees here using the email. Okay. And now suppose I am scheduling this meeting at 6:15. I am just changing the time 6 and I am not giving it to 6:05 suppose. Okay, set duration. I am suppose going for 0 hours and 10 minutes duration only. This duration we can change also. It can vary. It is not necessary that it will be concluded within 10 minutes. Now start scheduling. It is starting the schedule. The meeting has been scheduled. It is connecting. Okay, now come here. In this you will see that the meeting is scheduled from 6:15 to 6:30. Okay, it's here. If we want to share its address through WhatsApp, share it. You can share it in WhatsApp. Okay, and now when the time will be at 6:15, we can directly go to the launch. Directly go to launch our meeting. 6:15 we can start. Okay.